Hey, hold on, I'm here as well. Right, you know I told you that I'm gonna show you how I'm powering my some of the devices on the go. Well, this is that video. And yeah, I know I went a bit too hot in some of the bends, but it is what it is. Sometimes you have to give it a stick. So let me show you how I power my bike. Yeah, actually how I power some of the things on the go. Right boys, starting from the front, right? What you can see down there, I'm gonna show you in a minute, is like a dual USB plug that goes straight into the OM auxiliary plug. From that one I'm running two cables, like two USB cables coming into this tank bag, right? One of the cable goes into the phone because usually stays in this one, and the other one goes into the, how you call it, the GoPro brick. Yep, this is it guys. This thing, I had it for 2 years, I think I had it. And I'm not sure exactly what brand it is, and when actually I lost the cap, it had a cap here, but somewhere along the road I lost it. And it's been like that since then, and it never let me down. Right guys, I'm moving along. Now we are on the back of the bike. I don't know exactly if you can see here. I'll put my hand like this. I have a plug here that goes straight into the top box, and it's a cable. I'm not remember exactly if I run this one directly from the battery with the fuse, or I'm running this one through the easy cam system. I'm not sure exactly, so I'm not gonna say that I'm running it through there or not, but this one is the main provider for the electricity going into the top box. Right, I'm gonna be behind the camera for this one. Now, if you can see, this is the inside of the box connection from the cable that is coming from the other side, and it's coming and it's plugged into an Optimate USB charger. This one is very handy because you have that indicator as well, showing you what stage of the battery is. And from there I'm running a USB cable straight into a USB hub. Now this USB hub, I bought it from the Amazon. It's an Anchor. And from there I have 4 USB cables, 2 for this power pack and 2 for this power pack. Right, because these power packs are 30,000 milliamps or something like that, or 26,000 milliamps, I'm not sure exactly, and they take like 2 plugs to charge. You can charge it with only with one, but will take double the amount of time. And these two Easy Acts, yeah, because they're made by a company called Easy Act. I've been running these power packs for a while now, and I really like them. These power packs, they will give me enough power to charge my phone and my GoPros and whatever else I have to charge for a week, because they store a huge amount of time, and they're quite tough. If you can see on this one, I'm not sure exactly if you can see it, it's all scratched up and all boshed up because when I if you remember, I done the, how you call it, the Kilder 500. Where is this one? Hold on a second. Yeah, somewhere that'll be better. When I done the Kilder 500, in one stage, one of the participants ran out of connections, so he couldn't power his phone anymore. And we use the phones for a trip meter and that app. takes huge amount of power. Anyway, long story cut short, I lend him the power pack. I don't know exactly what he done because we left, we didn't stay there, but or how he tried to secure the power pack somewhere on the bike. But when we came back to the camping, his bike was completely bashed. He was in a bad state, and he was aching and all in pain and all that. And he came to me and gave me the power pack, and he said, "Oh, he's a bit mucky. He's a bit mucky." But it wasn't mucky. It was just smashed on the floor. So I presume he was trying to ride and holding the power pack in the same time in his hand, and he fall off. So I'm really sorry for the fella, but it is what it is. Anyway, this is the way I'm kind of trying to survive in the world of technology and try to power on the go some devices. Obviously, I can't power my big camera, but I do my best. Anyway, guys, I think this one is the last one. Next week, I'm gonna go for a week touring Portugal, and I'm gonna try to make some videos around there. Until next time, guys, you know how I'm saying. Go out, ride your bike, make some stories, and be safe. And consider subscribe. Peace and love. Well, guys, one thing I forgot to mention about this one, these are not permanently attached. You can use a bit of Velcro and take it out.